Hi, Amandeep.
Hello, yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, Tanuja, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, hi Tanuja, this is Amandeep. I'm from Mumbai. What about you?
Yeah, as you know, my name is Tanuja and I am from Bhopal.
So, what do you do?
I am a working professional in IT sector.
Okay, so are you aware about the topic for today?
Yes,
So, how many sessions have you had till now?
it's around 6 or 7 sessions.
6 or 7. Okay,
Yeah.
so you're aware about the session notes, right?
Yes,
Okay. So, it's basically about unexpected situations.
yes,
Okay. So, the situation, as you might be aware, is that you're the branch manager of the bank, and suddenly the robbers enter the bank one day and they ask you for the keys to the locker. So, what would be your first reaction to that situation?
Uh, firstly, I'll scared, I think, and I will try to convince the robber that he should not do this, or I can convince him that what he exactly want, and also I will try to rescue myself and other staff members and the employees of the bank. So whatever thing I can do to rescue them, then I will definitely do that.
Okay. So, this is a hypothetical situation. Okay. So, instead of saying I will scared, you can say I would be scared.
Yes, I would be scared. Yeah.
Yeah. So, for everything, when you're talking in a hypothetical situation, for everything you can use would.
Okay.
Okay. So, suppose they, ask you for certain amount, like you give us this much money and then we will let you go. Okay. So, how would you react to that?
Uh, yeah, actually, safe. My and my employee safety comes first. So I will listen the robbers what they are saying exactly, and if they are asking some of the money, so I will try to negotiate the money what they are what they ask, and if they are agree, then I will give the money and save my employees and myself.
If they agree.
Yeah, if they are agree on certain amount.
Instead of saying they are agree, you can say if they agree. Okay. When you're using are with a verb, so you have to use ing. So if they are agreeing,
Yes.
you can say it like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Or else you can say if they agree. Understood?
Sure.
So after they leave, what will you do? What precautions will you take? What preventive measures will you take so that something like that does not happen again?
Yeah. After they leave, I will try to call the police and higher authority, and will tell about all the thing what what had they done before, and yeah, I will inform all the things to the higher authority and police. And if anything we can do to prevent that thing should not uh, happen in future, then we can do some of the things like we can use some alarm kind of things. So if any robbers come, so we can directly inform the police or higher authority.
Okay.
Any kind of system that we can do.
So you are saying there should be a system that would help in alerting the
Yes, yes, yeah,
concerned authorities,
yeah,
right?
yeah, right.
Okay. So, have you ever heard about anything like this? Any such incidents?
Yes, some of the things I heard that some robber has robbed the ATM. So this kind of thing happened before.
Okay, ATM robbing. You have heard about ATM robberies.
Yes,
Yeah, I think that is also very most of the times these robbers instead of targeting the banks, they target the ATMs. I guess, right?
yes. I think there only one person who is managing, who is taking care of the ATM. So they can afraid them. Afraid
They can scare,
they can scare. They can scare the
or you
person who is managing.
can control him or overpower him. Overpower is the
Yes,
idea wherein they are stronger, so they can easily overpower him.
yes, and they can overpower. Sorry, what was the word? Overpower.
Overpower.
Yeah, so they can overpower the person who is managing the ATM and easily robs the ATM.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. So when we talk about robberies, I think commonly we get to hear about robberies. Or so, have you ever heard about anything like that where someone's house, someone got some robbers came or
Yes, in some of the news, I have heard about the robbery from the house, and the house is locked, and the robbers came and they unlocked the lock and robbed some of the jewelries and the money from the house.
so? What do you think are some major reasons why we hear about so much robberies?
I don't know the exact reason.
Why? What do you think are some reasons why there are so many robberies in the country?
Mm, I think we don't have the uh, proper thing to prevent that thing. So robots are free to do that kind of things. If we have some of the strict, if we take some of the strict action taken by the police or any higher authority for such kind of thing, then we can prevent that thing. But
So,
now the
yeah,
police
yeah.
are not taking it seriously, so too much serious about this, so that's why. That is the reason also. If one person is doing that kind of thing and we are not taking any action regarding him, or so other people will do same kind of thing because they will not scare about doing this.
Okay, okay. So you're saying that we need better laws.
Yes.
Strict.
And one incident happened with my father, that he went market and he parked his bike on the parking. But when he came back after doing the shopping, so the bike was not there, and somebody has stolen the bike. And uh, the place where the bike has stolen near the police station. So father went there and uh, complained about the incident, but we didn't get any solution of that. But the place where the bike has stolen, it has happened before also, and now it is continuous thing. But police are I don't think police are uh, doing so much thing to prevent that thing.
Okay. So you are saying police is not, you can say police is not doing enough to prevent it.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, police is not doing enough for preventing to prevent
Okay,
this.
we're almost done with our discussion. So I corrected. So first thing that you have to always do is whenever session, they are recorded, right? These sessions. So always go through the recordings after the class. See where were you corrected, what suggestions were given. Make a note of those things. Make sure you're working on them so that you don't repeat the same thing again. Okay. So just like I corrected your mistakes while speaking, first was whenever you're talking about imaginary situation, you can use would. Okay.
Good.
For example, if I ask you, what if you win lottery? So you can say, okay, if I win lottery, I would go on a world tour. So would. Okay.
Yeah.
Second, I think
Okay.
words. You are struggling with the right words to express yourself, right? So I will suggest you an application. It's on Play Store. So try to use that to learn new words.
Okay.
So how to learn new words? Basically, don't go for complicated or fancy words. Start with simple words first of all. Okay,
Yeah.
and when don't try to learn a lot of words at once. If you learn one word in a day, it's fine, but practice it in different sentences. Okay, so go very
Okay.
slow and make your own word bank. Get a book, pen, note it down with the meaning. No, whenever you have time, keep going through that. Okay, so that's how you will be able to. We also have a vocabulary section, as you might be aware, in the notes. Pick two to three words
Yeah.
from there before the class and use those words in the class during the conversation. So they are related to the topic itself. Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Do you have any questions?
No. And anything else you want to suggest apart
I
from
think
this?
you should focus on these things, just like I told you. The
Okay.
vocabulary, and second is the you are a bit confused in tenses. So focus on tenses. For that, just go online and you can type stories in past, stories in present, stories in future. So read different stories in different tense forms. That will help you. And study about tenses as much as possible. Okay?
Okay. Sure.
Okay. All clear?
Yeah. Clear. And thank you so much for your suggestion.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.